Welcome to the channel. My name is Travis, Pixel Picture. Thanks so much for joining the channel today. In this channel, we strive to help you understand GBT and some other large language models and really have some fun with it. So today we're going to jump in and discuss something that may be on your mind. Will my job be taken over by augmented intelligence? We're going to explore a couple different things. This will not be exhaustive in any way, and this is only my opinion and based on some of the research I've come across. People are very concerned about ChatGPT, other AI models taking over their job. From what I've seen, if you don't learn the different interactions within AI models, you may be left behind. Similar to when everyone was in a factory. The people that were in a factory several during the Industrial Revolution, I don't know if they could have done the job that I'm doing right now or other people around the world are doing, especially what we went through in the pandemic. Being at home, it was a change. So this is a change, whether we like it or not. ChatGPT and other AI models are here to stay, and there is can be good or bad from this. It's a tool. It's similar to my grandpa. He was a carpenter and what he called himself is a jack of all trades, master of none. He would take a hammer, and in a hammer you could hammer the nails and you can build things with it, right? Well, with that same hammer, you could break glass and you could break into somewhere. The hammer itself is neither good nor bad. It's whatever you do with the tool. So my desire is to help you better understand ChatGPT and other AI models so you can become more comfortable with it. You can start to explore, you can see the different capabilities it has, you can have fun with it, you can do pictures, you can put things into it and ask it questions, and it's just going to keep growing. So let's ask ChatGPT what it has to say. My job be taken over by AI. The impact of AI varies by industry. For many jobs, especially involving routine data-driven tasks, AI may automate certain functions. However, full job replacement is less common. In many cases, AI serves to augment human capability rather than completely take over. Your future job depends on factors like nature of your work to adapt and upskill in response to new technologies. So if your only job was essentially to type, and that was all you didn't have any QA, you didn't have anything like that, there's going to be pieces of AI that are trying to automate or trying to do some of the jobs that is repetitive that it can do more quickly and more efficiently than maybe a human could. But when it comes to other aspects, I would look at it as this. If you have normally 2 weeks to do something, say you have to put a presentation together, you have to send out your PowerPoint to 3 different people, and then you have to finalize it. All that time that it used to take 2 weeks to do that could now be done in a matter of days or a matter of hours, depending on how you use it. And with the rest of the time that you save, you could either move that time limit up to 1 week, or you could still have the 2 weeks, but you could go back and thoroughly look through all the different aspects of what you put into the PowerPoint. Maybe you can spend a little bit more time on the transitions, or you can spend a little bit more time researching what AI has come up with. And I got to stress this and foot stomp this a lot. You are responsible for whatever products you put forward. AI is there as a tool, but again, a person that is using that hammer, if they hammer the board in the wrong spot, you can't blame the tool, the hammer. You're the one that is actuating that tool. So if the board's crooked, you can't blame the hammer or the board. So what I would really recommend you guys to do is to take the time to understand what you're putting into your products. If it comes from AI, it may be a good idea to refer back to what version it was. What AI did you use? There's several out there. Even putting the date or the model that it was used is very helpful. There's some things that I may cover at another time where it actually wraps it up in a little bit of a bow, and it tells this is what we were looking at the time, this is what we use for reasoning, and it has a package that then you can go back and get some of that same or similar results. So will my job be taken over by AI? No, it will not totally be taken over by AI. A skilled person that is willing to learn and to upskill and to learn these things, they are going to have a much better time in the future with AI to use it to their advantage and to understand it. And that's our goal, is to help you have fun with this and to really use it for what you need it for. All right. This is Travis, Pixel Picture, signing off. Thank you. Have a great day.